So hey, what's up? This video is the second episode of 2 minute Sunday series, and in this episode you are gonna be learning how to boost your downloading speed under 2 minutes, and that will be pretty simple. So without any further ado, let's get straight into it. So what you're gonna be just doing is going to your Google Chrome or any browser that you use, then type, and then you have to just type free download manager, and you'll get the link in the description down below, or you can just search free download manager. As you can see, I have just typed free download manager right here. So this is the website that we are going to be going. Let's just click here, and then you have to click on free download for Windows, or if you're using Mac, so you can just click on Mac OS and it will just redirect you to the Mac page. This setup is downloading and you have to install that. After installing, you will get like this download manager. Let me just open this. This is the manager we are gonna be all needing. So this is the interface of that. These all are my downloads. I have already used it a lot, and now what you're gonna be doing, like anything that you download from browser, like okay, so now like when you will install the free download manager, what you're gonna be doing is downloading any file you like this is the file that, like this is that free download manager file. Let me just resume that and show you that how's the speed. Okay, as you can see, this is like 480 like KB per second. As you can see, let me now copy the link of this by right clicking, copy link address. Like this will copy the link address of your download, and now gonna be going to free download manager, going to this plus icon right here, and here it will automatically paste that for you. But if there is not, you can just press and paste that, and now when we will press OK, it will show you the detail of that. Then press on download and it will start downloading, and wait for some time. It will automatically boost in speed for you. As you can see, it is giving us 1.8 MB per second. Like as you can see, the mostly is 2.2 MB per second. So that is only for today. Hope you like this video, and if you like this video, so definitely give this video a big thumbs up, and I will surely meet you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.